What's poppin' with y'all? We back with another video. So this is actually my second time recording this video. I tried yesterday to get it out for y'all, but it was too tight for me and I gave them to my girl. So I'm gonna sew them all up and show y'all both pairs. But we cutting some J-cut pants. I saw this video on TikTok and it was like, wait till you find out why your pants are cut like this. And I figured out, and the stacks go stupid. So we finna get them sewn up for y'all. And so yeah, let's get it. Look, man, I know I've been gone for a while. And yes, you have to just deal with the crusty nubs. I know I've been gone for a while and I'm sorry, but I had a lot of things to do. I had to fucking get my money up, fucking learn Forex, join a Forex team, or HFX really. I had to get a new setup. Computer just was not cutting it for me. Shout out to Rico for that. And I had to drop my brand. Yes, I released the official nostalgia. This is like OG nostalgia. This is very, very old, like heat transfer vinyl. But we got some real screen printed, embroidered, real deal stuff out for y'all, and I will drop that below. So y'all make sure y'all go tap in on that. So now that we in the lab, I just want to explain to y'all why the J's do wonders for your stacks. So usually when you make some stacked jeans and you make them too tight, you can't really pull them up as high as you want them. But if you make them too loose, then they just fall straight down to your ankles. And it's really hard to find that sweet point. But if you can cut the J's into your pattern and make it curved, it tightens around your calf, so it's perfect. It's just, you know, stacks up and down. And we finna show you how to do that right now. So basically I got my pants pattern here and I have 2 fronts and 2 backs. They're essentially the same pattern. The only difference is this little curve right here to determine the back from the front. Basically, to get this, I cut out my favorite pair of pants like this. And I have some random shapes here for my pockets. And now we're just about to attach 1 front to 1 back and then do the same with the other front and back. Got the pants sewn up. We basically want to keep one reverse and then flip one the right way. You know what I mean? Like take it, flip it. Ooh, these finna go crazy. Hold on, my fault. So flip it and then put it inside of this one, right? And when you put it inside of this one, you just want to match up those crotch seams. Match up the front and back seams, just like this. Put it all the way up. So that's my crotch seam match like that, right? So once I do that, if I just pull these down, you know, these are perfect length to sew up just as well, just like that. And then we're gonna sew all the way around to attach the pants. I just realized the time lapse wasn't going when I sewed it up. That don't matter. And I just realized I also didn't put pockets on this mug. I just sewed it right up. I guess I'm just gonna go see if they fit. Damn, these are nice. If they fit, I don't even want to take them apart to put the pockets back on. I'm gonna just put the pockets real high, goddamn. Jesus, these are too clean. I don't even want to take them apart, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, I'm gonna try them on. I didn't have the seam tear to take them apart, so I couldn't put as many pockets on it as I wanted to. But here are all the pockets I did get. Shits are going crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna sew the zipper on, and in order to do that, I basically just sewed them together and ripped the crotch right here. And now I'm gonna just sew the zipper on just like we did the jacket, and then sew it down over the zipper to put a string in. So I actually just finished throwing the zipper on here, and the zipper fell completely off. So I'm gonna just give her these, and I'll tell her she has to go to Walmart and get a new zipper or something, or a string to put in it. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to the house so y'all can see a full body. But that's pretty much it, man. That's how you make some J-cut pants. I hope y'all enjoy this shit. Let's keep it rolling. Fucking subscribe, like, comment. Y'all already know the deal.